Okay, so I want to do validation for this data template for this data entry template. So I want to do it in such a way that the options that you can pick for the entry here is restricted to the options in the questionnaire. So what do I do? So because I want that to cut across this column, so I will select the entire column first, but I need to leave out the headers. The headers should not be validated, it should be free. So for me to leave out the header, so I'm going to hold the control button, then I'll click on this header. Look at it. I will ensure that my mouse is showing this icon, this plus icon, and I will click on it. So you can see the selection is now not including the headers. So then I'll go to data, then under data I want to use the data tools, then I'll click on data validation. So this is it. So because the options I want to use should be in list, I'm going to come here and click here the drop down, then I'll come to list. So I'll select list. So here is the source. So here, because my data here, but the options here, they are not that many, so I can easily type them here separated by comma. So what are the options that I'm working with here? So these are the options I'm working with. Sorry please. So these are the options I'm working with: never, rarely, regularly, always. So each of them separated by comma. So if I have them like that, I can just come here and copy them and then and actually type them: never, comma, rarely, comma, regularly, comma, always. So look at that. So once I click on that, then I validated it. You can see the options here. Let's check what are the options here. You can see never, rarely. Oh, there is an error. This rarely, we missed one R. So let's go back to the data tool to correct that. Data validation. Look at it. Rarely here should carry rarely, regularly, and what's the last option again? Always. Yeah. So click OK. Then let's check it again. You can see never, rarely, regularly. So with this, if you pick or enter anything different from this, it's going to flag it. If you enter anything from this, it's going to flag it. You can actually use the drop down to enter, or you can start by typing the first few letters. You can see regular, it will appear, then you press enter, then that is it. Let's say I now want to use not, flag you that it is going to flag that this value doesn't match the data validation restriction defined for all this for this cell. This is to ensure that your data entry only contains the expected entries, and this will help us in doing good data entry. Yeah, that's it. So you can see it's not allowing it. So that's it. Thank you.